Want to change after seeing all these robots show in Hangzhou? Then come to Shenzhen and check out some planes. Right now, head to the Bao'an District Low Altitude Economy Industry Public Service Center and experience the full low altitude economy ecosystem in action. One small service center brings together airworthiness consulting, policy advice, cross-border customs, tax registration, and more. For low-altitude economy businesses and small drone hobbyists, it really is one door, all things done. But for a beginner like me, the experience is what matters. So first, I learned how to sow seed with drones, then learned how to fly a real plane. It was like I was in the Hong Kong drama Triumph in the Skies. Yeah, I'm Captain Huang. It was a totally new experience. By the end, I even wanted to say something to myself in Cantonese. 我出師啦.
Okay, let's see my test went in.
I remember last year, iShow Speed was here in the city yelling OMG at the door. This year, it's my turn in Shenzhen, awkwardly stretching my head over one. Well, from Hangzhou's ground robot to Shenzhen's sky drones, 2 cities, 2 takes on innovation. Anyway, if you've already met Hangzhou's robot buddies, follow this video and come fly with us in Shenzhen, Bao'an.